a Matter platform, we're looking at a 20 exponential moving average holding as support. We tried the 600 again, which is the second time, and we just couldn't break through it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, as usual, you're welcome to this channel. If you have any questions, concern, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Okay, guys, you know it. This week we're gonna be having combination of earning stocks and as well as long-term dividend stocks as well, and also we're going to be talking about Boeing in the market, what we're expecting based on US economic calendar, and of course we're going to have the earnings whisper chart for next week. Now, without further ado, you are welcome. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, looking at the sector, 1 week performance based on the market, based on price action, based on stocks. Guess what? Energy did poorly last week. Okay, they did bad. Look at it, it's in the red side, followed by some technology stocks. Financial did good, they're in the green side, as well as utilities, because we have the hurricane and you got more companies supporting their recovery, right? Which is a good thing, which is a fantastic thing, right? Also, we have consumer cyclical and consumer defensive all in the red, as well as home improvement and restaurants. Overall, we do have semiconductors mostly on the red side, and of course, looking at Tesla actually did horrible for the past week or so. Tesla pretty much has been consolidating bearishly for a long time, and also we're going to talk about Netflix earnings. Okay, now let's look at the economic calendar real quick. Monday is October 21st, and we have what? The US leading economic indicator. On Tuesday, we have Fed speaker, and of course, Wednesday, we have beige book. Okay, that is one of J Powell favorites as well. And of course, existing home sales. Thursday, we have initial jobless claim, as well as S&P Flash US Services PMI. Friday, of course, we have durable goods order, and of course, baby, we got consumer sentiment. So it's gonna be an interesting week. Plus, we have earnings coming in, and of course, in the earnings, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we have solid names, and we have on Monday after close we have SAP. Tuesday we have 3M, GM, Baker's, Texas Instrument, and so on and so forth. And on Wednesday, of course, we have Tesla, Boeing, IBM, AT&T, Nextera, Thermo Fisher, and so on and so forth. T-Mobile. On Thursday, UPS. Oh, guys, you get it. Okay, so it's gonna be an interesting week, most especially Wednesday, where we have Boeing. We'll also have Tesla reporting, because Tesla has been consolidating for quite a while now. Okay, so now let's take a look at SPY, what we're expecting the market to do this coming week. Looking at it, my target pretty much long term is $600 in terms of by December, unless something negatively happen. RSI is still decent for momentum push to the upside, flagging, of course, SPY flagging. Looking at this downtrend right here, this trend right here, we're looking at that is a beautiful trend. We broke this downtrend and then boom to the upside, giving us that beautiful pattern. So right now, this is going to be the support overall. If for any reason market decide to pull back, we're going to be looking for that long-term 565 area if 575 doesn't hold as support. Looking at Tesla coming into earnings, Tesla did very horribly for the past week or so, and we have this bearish looking shape, bearish looking pattern with this gap right here. Tesla just don't want to break through 221. This is horrible. This is what I call a crazy market manipulation, and see how that happened here as well, and then boom, right? So expectation, same thing here, but you never know. Got earnings coming in, and if for any reason 201 200, that is the support for the 200 moving average. Now taking a look at PM, Philip Morris, right here, we're looking at 20 exponential moving average hold, 120, that is the support, with the next support, immediate support at the 50 exponential moving average 118. So that is what I'm looking at. Remember that we are really extended from the 200, so anything could happen here. And of course we are at the 50% on the RSI. NUE also reporting next week. We got 162.50 next spot on this name, and momentum is coming in here with this break of 155 to the upside. Look for 160 162 in the coming days. SMCI not reporting next week, but of course we're still fighting resistance at the $50-51 spot. If this breaks, and of course we have support at 20 exponential moving average, if this 50 exponential moving average does break, we're going to be looking at $60, $65, or even $71 on long term. So keep an eye out as well. Texas Instruments is going to be reporting next week. Levels are right here, 207.50 and of course 197 as a support, with immediate support at 195 on that. If they do bad, expect this price action back into 185, the 200 moving average. Enphase, of course, Enphase is also reporting, and we failed support $100 and back down here. So bearishly looking, this is bearish, but anyways, we got earnings coming up, and this could either pop to the upside or to the downside. A Matter platform, we're looking at a 20 exponential moving average holding that support. We tried the 600 again, which is the second time, and we just couldn't break through it. My options didn't do well, and of course we ended up with that decay. Right now support is 20 exponential moving average for now. If price action comes in, we'll be looking at 550 as the next spot. LMT as well has earnings coming up next week. We're still flagging on this name, and we just need to keep pushing. Long-term flag here, looking at 620 on the next spot, with RSI still decent. To look at the distance from the 200 moving average right there, so keep an eye out on that name. Netflix, guys, Netflix, pretty much we're looking at momentum, earnings momentum push, gap up squeeze, gap up run, 98, pretty much about $98 as out of Friday's close, and of course we got that gap fill here as well. Netflix continue to lead in terms of streaming, and of course our competitors gonna be Warner Brothers and Discovery and all that good stuff. So they're looking to invest more into Asia and all other countries like Asia, Europe, and Africa to help really pretty much boost their profitability. So looking for new subscribers, this may continue, but for now I'll be looking for some form of a pullback, at least to a decent level, for that long term. Forward split is possible on this name as well. Sam's, this is Boston beer. Who doesn't love beer? Guys, don't be offended, but I do love beer, of course, as my margaritas as well, tequila. So right now we're looking at this downtrend break on this. I think this is also a beautiful chart. I talked about it a couple of weeks ago. I said possible breakthrough around this area. Look for the 200 moving average, and we are right there. Of course, I took other trades and never really touched this one, but Anyways, look for a retest. That retest is a beautiful retest for your long-term push. Reason is because once price action really breaks out, they tend to retest level. Momentum comes in, more volume comes in. Guess what happened? This stock continue to the upside. Okay, so look for that volume coming in, look for that momentum push, and we'll continue. Look at that. That is a beautiful looking chart, beautiful looking volume. Also, earnings report ASML pretty much did okay, but sold off. Right now we're looking to bounce to the upside. Right here I took my position at 730 in anticipation of this double bottom hold as support, but however that didn't hold and we sold right off. Added and bring my average to the upside. So now I'll be looking for more to the upside on this name as SMCI, NVDA and all that continue to push to the upside. Okay, now let's take a look at Boeing. Boeing at this point, guess what? We have Boeing contracts coming in for the 2024, and they're looking at 35% over a 4 years period. So it's pretty good, it's pretty interesting. However, we need that deal to be signed for that momentum to come in into Boeing. And Boeing, I'm looking for more, at least a push. Okay, Monday or Tuesday push right into 160 or even 165 as the deal is sealed, as the deal is approved by both parties. So keep an eye out. Costco as well. Costco COST. I'm looking for Costco to pull back to levels so that I can get in. I'm not in Costco right now. 200 moving average is still far away, and I'll be looking for my $800 as my next level of pick, but right now levels are right here. Support is 881, and that is where you get your support for the long term. Also, recently I did move some of my position up to Interactive Broker, and this is pretty much it, and I'm looking to move some of this out to a better place. Okay, so I'm looking to move it to a better place, and of course I'm looking at Amazon, NVIDIA, Apple, and I'm starting pretty much a small account where I don't have to really touch anything and just let it ride and continue to add to position or continue to transfer into this account, right? So that is for that. Also keep an eye out on Nike as well, WHR, because we're beginning to break. Of course, Walmart, I still need that pull back to the 50. Okay, I still need that pull back to the 50, which we haven't gotten yet on Walmart. SNA, that is a gap up play, so keep an eye out on that. SMCI, I talked about that next we still need that push, that momentum push to the upside. Amazon, of course, this is for any reason, this is your long-term play. Right now we have a head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder pretty much here is a bearish looking shape, but however, left side head and then the right side we tried to break through, we just couldn't break through, and now we're looking for more I'm looking for more to the upside on this name. 190, that is your spot. If price for any reason get back to 195 and breakthrough, we're gonna be looking for an all-time high on this name. Look for AVGO as well. Also, I have position there, and I'm looking for more. I'm looking for about $200 long-term target on this asset, on this name. Eli Lilly as well, downtrend look, and SRG, gap up and go, gap up and move. Volume pretty much is of a play right here, guys. The remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on my stock tweet and on my Twitter account, which is the X account. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your weekend with me, guys. Peace and love. Bye-bye.